I'm Ruchika Thakur, your English teacher, and welcome back in your English class. Students, today we are going to start a new topic of our grammar, which is pronoun. Pronoun, what do you mean by pronoun actually? Do you know? Yes, pronoun means the words which we use at the place of noun. For example, if I'll say, Riya is my friend. Riya is a good girl. So why to use her name again and again? Instead of using her name, I can use pronoun. Instead of using Riya, I can use she. So there are so many pronouns, first person, second person, third person pronouns, which are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, right? And so many. But today we will do kinds of pronouns also. So let's start.
So students, this is your chapter number 10, pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of noun in a sentence. They are used in the place of nouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns again and again, as I have given you example also, right? When a noun is introduced for the first time, we always use the proper noun. After that, we can use pronoun to refer to it. For example, Amit is a boy. Amit likes cricket. So we will not use Amit and Amit again. Instead of that, we will use pronoun. Amit is a boy. He likes cricket. In these sentences, he is a pronoun. It is used in the place of noun Amit, right? Here are some more examples. I have a bag. Bag is a noun. There are books in. Instead of bag, I have used pronoun it. There are books in it. Tony is a good boy. Tony, proper noun. He never tells lies, right? Suzanne is a student. She goes to school daily. Instead of girl's name, we have used she. Instead of boy's name, we have used he. Instead of thing and bird's name, we will use it. Any animal, bird or thing will be there, then we will use pronoun it. Look at the children. They are playing football. So here, instead of children, we have used pronoun they. Now, how many types of pronoun are there? 4 types. How many types? 4 types. Number 1 is personal pronouns. Number 2 is demonstrative pronouns. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Number 3 is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. And number 4th and last kind is interrogative pronouns. So first of all, I am going to explain you personal pronouns, right? Personal pronouns stand for particular persons or things, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, right? They, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, all these are first, second and third person pronouns. A personal pronoun can be subjective or objective pronoun also. It can be subjective also and it can be objective also in the sentence. This is the table of first person, second person and third person pronouns, right? You is both a singular and plural pronoun. It is used only for things and animals. I have told you earlier also. It can also be used to refer to a baby or small child. Okay. So now we will do exercise part A. Instead of this, we will write down CW, students. Okay. So write down CW here, students. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the nouns with the personal pronouns Here noun is given, you have to replace the noun with the pronoun. Rita is absent today. Now Rita is ill. Now we have to change this noun, replace this noun with the pronoun personal pronoun. And which are the personal pronouns? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, these, those, them, all these are personal pronouns. Not these, those are the examples of demonstrative pronouns. Students, you can see here all pronouns shown in this table are personal pronouns. First person, second person, third person, whatever. All these are examples of personal pronouns. Okay, so here we have to use only personal pronouns. Rita is a girl, so which pronoun we will use? Which personal pronoun? We will use she. Rita is absent today. Rita is ill. So we will write down she is ill, right? So she is personal pronoun we have used here. Next is I have a laptop. My father gave the laptop to me on my birthday. My father gave laptop. So laptop is a thing. Gave it. So what we will fill instead of laptop? We will fill it. My father gave it to me on my birthday. Next is, third is, the toys of the toy seller are nice. I like the toys very much. Again, thing is there. So what we will use? I like the toys. I like them very much. The man saw the children. The children were studying. The children, many are there. So what we will use? They were studying, right? So instead of the children, we will use they. Fifth is they are John and Joseph. John and Joseph are brothers. So they are brothers. Again, more than one. So we will use they. Next is Arun and I go to the same school. Arun and I. Whenever I is there with another name, we always use we. Which pronoun we will use? We. When one name is there and I, when we are talking about ourselves, then we will use we. We are in the same class, Arun and I. So we. Next is Riya can sing well. Tell Riya to sing a song. Tell her. For boys we will use him. For girls we will use her. This is a book. Book is a thing, so what we will use? We will use it. The book has stories. It has stories. So this is your part A. Now we will proceed with part B. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Again, personal pronouns we will fill. Samaksh did not come. Samaksh, name of the boy. So which pronoun we will use? He. He was ill. For boys, we always use he. This dress is nice. Look at the dress. So the dress is a thing. So what we will use? It. Will you come? Second is left, students. Sorry. Will you come with Dash to the park? Will you come with me to the park? So you will fill me here. Fourth is the children are tired. They. The children, they. Many are there, so we will use they. I don't know Alan. Do you know him? Alan is a boy. So for boys, we will use him. For girls, we will use her. So students, do A and B part in your book, and rest of the exercise we will do tomorrow. First of all, revise personal pronoun, first kind, and what do you mean by pronouns? The definition, the words that take the place of nouns in the sentence, right? So do the given homework, A and B part, and revise chapter number 10. Take care, students. Bye.